Yes.
Action?
Action, go.
Okay.
Emma, then you can do it for me. It's good.
Here we make a simple knot. Half meter. Open the scarf. Put the knot behind the head. Then twist just one time. Do round for all the head. Two times. Then fix the end of the scarf inside.
Simple.
And in the end, open the knot that we made in the beginning, the first knot.
The back covering.
Yeah, cover the shoulders. For the face, opposite, left to the right.
Now look 10 times more beautiful.
Now you
Cover
are
face.
Cover the whole face. I like it actually.
now you are Fatima.
So my husband doesn't need to see my face